Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. Today we're going to play with this. Okay, let's continue. We have a new hot point. Is the wash dryers a new toy washing machine? Yep. LG draw. Yep. New closet. Yep. Oh, still the jigsaw's in here. He keeps wasting. Got a new closet. Yep. A new cabinet. Yep. Nice. Bird job. Samsung equipable draw. Samsung equipable draw. Got the Samsung equipable draw. LG draw. Yep. LG draw. Got the LG draw. Yep. Hi everyone, do you like my video? Please remember to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.